Fragile X syndrome or Fragile X associated tremor ataxia syndrome. This is syndrome characterized by ataxia, tremor, dementia, long ears, increased height, large hands and mandible, and with cognitive decline. It occurs almost exclusively in males. MRI brain shows atrophy, abnormality to signals in middle cerebellar peduncle. It is caused by expansion of CJG repeats in X-linked FMR1 gene. So it is CJG repeat expansion disorder. Pre-mutation expansions include 55 to 200 repeats. And this is the cause of cerebellar tremor ataxia in older males. So pre-mutation expansions can lead to cerebellar tremor and ataxia in older males. Core neurologic feature of Fragile X syndrome is intention tremor and gait ataxia. Now, we are going to symptoms and signs of Fragile X syndrome. First of all, there are major features which include ataxia, tremor, dementia, long ears, increased height, large hands and mandible, and then are minor features like Parkinson, peripheral neuropathy, autonomic dysfunction, impaired memory, executive dysfunction, depression, anxiety, olfactory dysfunction can occur. And in this case, it is called Fragile X associated tremor ataxia syndrome associated with olfactory dysfunction. The tremor in Fragile X syndrome is mostly action tremor. Imaging findings in Fragile X syndrome, MRI brain shows generalized atrophy, including cerebellum, and T2 images show increased signal in middle cerebellar peduncle. There are increased signals in white matter, especially in pons, splenium of corpus callosum, periventricular white matter, and there is thinning of corpus callosum. Definitive Fragile X syndrome is called when there are two major features and genetic testing positive. Probable Fragile X syndrome is called when there is one major feature and two minor or only two major features. Possible Fragile X syndrome is called when there is one major and one minor feature. Genetic testing for FMR1 gene repeat expansion can be done. There is no specific treatment for Fragile X syndrome. Action tremor response to beta adrenergic blocking agents or primidone. Physical therapy can be offered for gait. Memantine and choline esterase inhibitor can be offered for cognitive dysfunction. And venlafaxine can be used to improve attention on cognitive dysfunction in Fragile X tremor associated ataxia syndrome.